Sebastian's toy room.
Wow, look, it's Peppa Pig.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Grandpa Pig. George Pig.
This is my little brother George.
Rebecca Rabbit. Richard Rabbit. Pedro Pony.
Pedro is asleep in his little bed.
Sebastian. And Estella. Hello children, today I will be showing you the farm. I help out at the farm with the garden and I will show you everything there is to see on the farm.
Howdy-ho, just a simple country boy am I, singing a simple country song, singing it all day long.
Are you excited? Yay, I'm so excited. Me too, me too. Grandpa, where are we going to get started? Well, first let's go look at the barn. See, all the way over there is the barn. There's the barn.
Wow, look, it's a barn. The barn is red.
Yippee, let's go! Let me introduce you to my friend, the farmers. Hi, I'm a farmer. I work on the farm and I take care of all of the animals and the food.
I'm Mrs. Badger the farmer.
Hello.
Grandpa, what is a farm? What do people do on the farm? A farm is where there are lots of animals and food is grown. There are horses on the farm, pigs on the farm,
Howdy-ho, everywhere I go my peg comes too. Everywhere he is, that's where I'll be. Just my little peg and me.
cows on the farm, goats on the farm, sheep on the farm, ponies on the farm,
Riding a little horse? Yes, it's a pony. It's a pony ride.
duckies on the farm, and chickens and roosters.
This is baby tiny rooster.
Here are the chickens.
It's time for the chicken's lunch.
There are lots of fruits and vegetables on the farm too. There's lettuce and pumpkins and potatoes and onions, corn, carrots, and cucumbers and tomatoes on a farm. There are lots of vegetables on a farm, and there are fruits too. Apples.
Look, Sebastian's picking apples from the apple tree.
Raspberries.
Yeah, look, there's another one.
Don't squeeze any raspberry.
Yeah, don't squeeze the raspberries. There you go. Here's another one.
Blueberries.
Look, Stella, blueberries.
Wow, can you pick some?
Look, Stella, there's lots of blueberries.
Yeah, so many. Wow.
Lots of them.
I see so many blueberries. Wow. Boing.
Squeak, squeak, I'm so excited. All right, kids, let me take you around the farm and show you everything. This is the barn. The barn has animals inside. There are cows, goats, and ponies and horses in the barn. And there's also roosters and chickens in the barn too. The barn is red and it's so big. Wow, so cool. There's so many animals. Ooh, can I pet one? Can I pet one? Ha ha ha, of course you can. Go right ahead. Look, I'm petting the cow. Pet, 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 pet. Look, this is a vegetable garden.
I'm planting these seeds.
I see beets, carrots, lettuce, and cauliflower in the vegetable garden. Sally Sheep takes care of the garden and helps it grow. She uses a watering pail to water the plants. See?
I just make a little hole and put the seed in and water it.
Let's water the plants.
The vegetables need water to grow and get bigger and bigger.
And that little apple tree will grow into a big apple tree.
Look, the seeds are growing into plants. They're getting bigger and bigger. Fruits and vegetables are plants and grow from seeds.
Like this. Ouch!
She also uses a shovel to dig up the vegetables when they're ready.
Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Scoop, scoop, scoop. Look, it's out. Boop. It's out. Sally then puts all of the vegetables into the basket. Now we have lots of vegetables to eat. Yummy. Can I have a carrot, please? So yummy. I also help in the garden. See, I have tomatoes and carrots all lined up and ready to eat. Look over here. It's a pen for sheep and goats.
Ba ba, white sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba ba, white sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Grandpa, what is this for? Well, the sheep and goats live in this pen and they eat this special food. Let's scoop some food and put it into the bucket. We can save this for some of the horses. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Look, the goats and sheep are eating the food. We also use this rake to clean up the pen. All right, everyone, let's get in the tractor and go see the horses in the pasture. Look, it's a tractor. The tractor has hay and feed for the horses to eat. And we need to bring the tractor to the horses.
Look, Sebastian's on a blue tractor.
Look, everybody's inside and ready to go. The farmer is driving the tractor. Let's go!
In the fields, the green tractor on big wheels. In its trailer, someone singing very merry songs. You can guess and win. Come on, let's begin. Guess who, guess who, guess who, guess who's singing merry songs?
We're here, everyone. We're at the pasture. Let's get out. Let's take out the food for the horses. First the hay, and then the animal feed. Bye, tractor. Grandpa Pig, what's a pasture? Well, a pasture is a big field of grass where horses and cows can walk and run around and eat grass. The horses eat the grass and say, yummy. because it's so tasty for horses and cows. See, look! The horses are running around in the grass and eating it. Yummy! And there's cows in the pasture too. Sebastian, what do you think? Are there more horses or cows in the pasture? I don't know. Let me see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 horses in the pasture. And I see 1, 2, 3 cows in the pasture. There are 4 horses and 3 cows. So that means there are more horses. Good job. Over there are the horses' stables. The horses sleep in the stables and eat. The horses eat hay. They eat animal feed too. And horses can eat corn and carrots and see, look, the horses are eating. Look, I see a pig pen.
Piggy is a pretty little thing.
Let's put some mud in the pig pen. Pigs like splashing in the mud.
I love muddy puddles.
Grandpa, can we play in the mud too? Of course you can. Let's splash in the mud.
Morning, afternoon, and night.
Playing in the mud, playing in the mud. We're playing in the mud. Oh wow, I'm so dirty. Look, I have mud all over me. Oh no, me too. I have mud everywhere.
Peppa and George love jumping in muddy puddles.
All right, George, we better go clean up. We're so dirty. We need water to wash off the mud. George, do you see water anywhere? Yes, I see a pond all the way over there with duckies. There's water. Wash, 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 wash. Yay, we're all clean now. Thank you. That's it for today, everyone. Bye. See you later. Hope you had fun on the farm.
Sebastian's Toy Room.